All right, check it out. We have the first ripe blueberry. I'm gonna test it and see if it's good. But that's the first blueberry fruit from the blueberry plant. Oh, that's actually good.
Yeah?
Oh, that's actually good.
That's a sample.
That's actually good. I actually approve of this.
That is
We're
good.
gonna have some really good blueberries here.
Yummy.
Okay, we're gonna have some good blueberries. I'm gonna water some plants right now. Gotta take care of the plants because I'm a plant mommy. So come with me. As I go through this construction site to water these babies right here. Okay. Now, I haven't done this in a while because I let go of a lot of my plants in Taiwan. Now that I'm back, I'm watering plants again, and it feels good. Plants eat a lot of water. Oh, I want to show you guys this too. So, y'all know I love electric things. This baby, guess what this is? It's an electric bike. We're gonna take that out in a bit. But that beauty right there. We're gonna go for a test drive later. So we got the electric bike. We're gonna take that out. So good to be home.